2023 Jeep Gladiator Rubicon turbo diesel, 11,000 miles on 35s. Man, I'm going to regret not keeping this one day. I love this thing. MSRP was over $80,000. Plus, you stuck $5,000 worth of wheels and tires on it. Plus the winch. I mean, this is a $90,000 Jeep back in 2023. Now, it's about half that. You can see all the photos. Apply for credit regardless of credit. See the current price. Get in touch with us at autoramaauto.com. autoramaauto.com. Fully loaded Rubicon with 11,000 miles and the turbo diesel.